Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into an essential feature in Amazon Seller Central that can help you grow your e-commerce business beyond just Amazon multi-channel fulfillment. Once you are logged in, from the dashboard, go to the Orders tab in the left top menu and select Create MCF Order from the drop-down. By clicking on it, you'll be redirected to the Create MCF Order page. For more details, you can read further here. But why should you use MCF? Here are a few reasons. With benefits like fast and reliable shipping, cost efficiency, unbranded packaging, and enhanced customer satisfaction, MCF can be a game changer for your business. But for now, I'm going to show you how to create an MCF order. You'll now see a form here. You need to fill in the details of the order. Start by entering the recipient's name, address, and contact information. Be sure to double-check these details to avoid any shipping errors. Next, you'll need to enter the SKU or ASIN of the product you want to fulfill. You can search by name directly. Select the correct product and specify the quantity. Remember, the product must already be stored in Amazon's fulfillment center to use MCF. Enter order ID, else Amazon will create if you leave it blank. Now, choose your shipping speed. Amazon provides two options, standard and expedited. Select the one that best fits your customer's needs and your budget. Click Place Order. To check the status of an order or cancel it, go to the Manage Orders section. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel,